Hi, welcome to my channel. After so many days, again I am making this video. In this video, we are going to see some problems on tricks of mathematical operations, which strengthens your mental ability skills. Before going to the concept problems, let's do this one.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe.
Here we have first question on tricks of mathematical operations. Here some special symbols will be used in between the numbers. Actually that special symbol holds some special operations, special logic. That special logic, if you find out, then it is easy to find, it is easy to solve the problem. Let's see first question. $10.25 is equal to 8. Here they used symbol dollar. $12.25 is 10. Then we want to find $14.53 is equal to how much? So here dollar they give. Actually dollar is a special symbol used here. The dollar holds a special logic. So to solve this one, first of all keep dollar away. Look at the numbers 10 and 25. By using 10 and 25, you should get 8. What is the logic? Same way 12 and 25 use and get it 10. So what logic holding for these two expressions? Same you have to put for 14 and 53 also. So let's see the solution. Options also given 13, 15, 11, 9. So I observed that 10 and 25. I want to use 10 and 25. I want to get 8. So how to get means dollar is nothing but sum of the digits. Here the logic is sum of the digits. 10. So means 1 plus 0. 25. 2 plus 5. Which gives you 8. That's all. Very simple logic. Sum of the all digits. Same thing if you do here. 12 means 1 plus 2 plus 25 means 2 plus 5, which gives you 10. Same logic holding for first expression as well as second expression. Then we have to apply for final question. That is your $14.53. So 14 means 1 plus 4. 53 means 5 plus 3. Both add. So you will get that 13. So 13 is the answer, which is option A. Which is option A. So hope you understand this first problem. See the problem 2. Question 2. If 9 at the rate 7. Here symbol change it to at the rate. They can give any type of symbol here. Is equal to 4. 6 at the rate 1 is equal to 10. 7 at the rate 4 is equal to 6. So 3 expressions given. So these 3 expressions will follow a special logic. That logic we have to find it. Then the value of 8 at the rate 2. So here special symbol given is at the rate. So first of all keep at the rate away. And try to use the numbers and get RHS value. What we have. So 9 and 7 we have to use, need to get 4. 6 and 1 we have to use and get 10. 7 and 4 we have to use and get 6. So that logic if you find it, then same logic we can apply for 8 and 2 also. So let's see the solution. So 9 and 7 I want to use, need to get 4. So 9, 7. 4 we have here. So what is the logic means? Just I am subtracting these two. 9 minus 7 which gives you 2 into 2. 4 is coming. Just I subtracted these 2 and multiplied with 2. 4 coming. Same thing do here. Here both subtract. 6, 1 we have. 6 minus 1 which is 5 into 2 will give you 10. So the numbers given 6 and 1, those two numbers subtracted and multiplied with 2. Same thing do here. 7 minus 4 into 2 which gives you 6. Yes, this logic holds for all 3 expressions. So we can apply for answer also. So 8 and 2. So first we have to do 8 and 2 subtraction. 8 minus 2 into 2. Which gives you 6 into 2. That will be 12. So my answer is D. So the answer is D. So hope you understand second problem also. Third problem. So problem 3. If 8 theta 12 delta 6. So now 2 symbols given and 3 numbers given. And the used symbols are theta and delta. 12 delta 6 is equal to 60. 13 theta 15 delta 11 is equal to 74. So two expressions given. Then they are asking 18 theta 21 delta 15 is equal to how much. So here theta holds a special logic. Same way delta also holds a special logic. Options also given 161, 139, 153, 147. Solution. Eight theta 12 delta 6. That is the given. I want to get 60. Means if you keep the symbols away and 8, 12, 6 I want to use, need to get 60. So 8 into 2 I am doing. So theta I am taking as multiplication. Delta I am taking as subtraction. So same thing do here. 8 into 12. 8 into 12 minus 6. 8 into 12 is 96. Minus 6 is 90 only coming. But I want 60. So just koncham change I am doing. That is nothing but 6 square. So last number I am squaring. First two numbers multiplying. And the third number, last number 6 square, I am subtracting from first two multiplication. Then this is 96 minus 36, which is gives you 60. Same thing if I do here. 13 into 15 minus 11 is there. So last third number I want to square. So 11 square. 13 into 15 is 195. Minus 11 square is 121, which I get that 74. So this logic applied and correctly following by these two expressions. So same logic we can apply for the question also. Now 18 and 21. So I want to multiply 18 and 21. 18 into 21 minus 15 square. 18 into 21 minus 50 square. How much will get? 18 into 21 is 378 minus 225. So I get the answer is 153, which is option C. So in this way, third problem we completed. So I hope you understand what is the logic involved in the problem. Once if you find the logic, then problem very simple. Now another problem we have. See the another problem. Here we have problem 4. Question number 4. 4 star 5. Now 4 star 5 percentage 3 is equal to 8000 and 2 star 3 percentage 2 is equal to 36. Then we want to find the value of 4 star 3 percentage 3 is equal to how much. So here two symbols, different symbols given, star and percentage, and some numbers given. So you have to find out the logic involved. Okay, we have to use 4, 5, 3 and need to get 8000. Same thing here also 2, 3 and 2 we have to use, need to get 36. Options given 432, 1728, 36, 144. So now see the solution. I observed that observation important in solving math problems. I observed that 8000 and 36 are perfect cubes and perfect square. Yes or no? 8000 is perfect cube. Same way 36 is a perfect square. So try to introduce that perfect cube concept and perfect square concept. So let's see the solution. 4, 5. We have 4, 5. I want to use 4, 5 and 3. So this start we can use as multiplication. Star we can use as multiplication. Percentage we can take as exponent. This we can take as exponent. So 4 and 5 we have 4 into 5. Actually this 8000 is a 20 cube. 20 cube. So try to get 20. 20 will be obtained by multiplying 4 and 5. So 4 into 5. So percentage plus exponent will come. This last number will come as power. 4 into 5 whole power 3. That will give you 20 cube, which is equal to 8000. Same thing I am doing here for second expression. 2 next to 3. So 2 into 3 I want to do. So power what will come? 2 will come. Why? Because last number will come as power. So 6 square, that is 36. Yes, this is holding. This logic is following by 2 expressions. The same logic apply for the question. Now answer we get that 4 next to 3. 4 into 3 multiply and power 3 will come. So 12 cube is nothing but 1728. 1728. So which is option B. So hope you understand this fourth problem also.